Today's video feature is a discussion about whether breath testing machines or instruments are actually reliable in a DUI or DWI prosecution. Now notice I use two terms, machine and instrument. Why is that? Well, there's always a debate at trial, or even when you're talking with prosecutors and police officers, about which term is the one to be used. The police and prosecutors prefer the term instrument. I've asked officers many times on the stand, what is the difference? Most simply say they're not sure. That's just the term they were told to use or taught to use. I did have one officer give a rather clever answer. He said that instrument was more scientific. I guess if it's more scientific, then subliminally they hope the jury will think it is more reliable. Defense lawyers and those who have studied the so-called technology prefer the term machine because that is exactly what it is. It is a machine, a rose by any other name sort of thing. And every machine so far to date has a margin of error, is capable of making mistakes, and all defense lawyers have plenty of cases where you get a high number from the machine and what you see on video is something completely different. So, how do we defend against the machine? Well, what we do is we point out the differences between the video and the number produced. We also explain how the machine has built-in fallibility and margin of error, of course. And then we tell them in every closing to not trust a machine, but instead to trust their own eyes and ears. You don't need a machine to tell you what drunk looks like, or a machine to tell you what drunk sounds like. Use your own experience and common sense and determine if somebody is truly impaired as charged. Now, we do have more specific videos on the machines that are used in both South Carolina and North Carolina. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Robert Reeves. My mobile number, 704-351-7979, or email robert@rjrlaw.com. Hope it helps. Thank you.